Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Dinda Nurannisaa, and in this video I will explain a fascinating topic from the world of plant biology, plant embryology. Let's explore how a tiny plant embryo forms, grow, and how this knowledge is applied in real life. Today, I'm going to talk about plant embryology from zygote to seed. This topic is all about how a plant embryo develops from a single cell after fertilization all the way to fully formed seed. This process is fascinating and has many important applications, especially in agriculture and biotechnology. Section 1. What is plant embryology? First, let's understand what plant embryology actually is. It's a branch of botany that studies how a plant embryo forms and develops. It begins right after fertilization, when the male and female gametes unite to form a zygote. From that moment, the zygote starts dividing and developing into a complex structure that will become the future plant. Section 2. Stage of embryogenesis. Embryogenesis in plant happens in several important stages. 1. Zygote formation, which is the very beginning. 2. Cell division and differentiation, where the single cell becomes many and starts to specialize. 3. Tissue and organ formation, when root, shoot, and other plant parts begin to shape. And the last, maturation, when the embryo gets ready to become a seed. Each stage is carefully regulated by internal signal and genetic instruction. Section 3. Genetics and molecular mechanism. Let's move to the core of embryogenesis, genes and molecules. Scientists have discovered many genes that control how plant embryo develop. For example, transcription factors like BBM and WOS help guide the growth. Hormones like auxin and cytokinins send signals between cells. Even epigenetics play a role. DNA methylation can turn genes on or off during development. All of these make sure the plant forms correctly. Section 4. Maternal and paternal influence. Did you know that the mother plants have a big role in helping the embryo grow? Yes, through nutrient transfer, hormone support, and even genes expression. Both the maternal and paternal plants contribute genetic information, but it's the mother that provides the home where the embryo grows safely. Section 5. Application in real life. Why does this all matter? Well, plant embryology is super useful because 1. It helps us to improve crop varieties. 2. Enable cloning of valuable plants using somatic embryogenesis. And the last, support the conservation of rare plant species by growing embryos in the lab. So, it's not just about theory, it's about real-world solution. Section 6. Latest research highlight. Recent studies have uncovered new things too. For example, scientists now understand better how DNA methylation works during plant embryo development. They also improve embryo culture techniques that can help grow new plants faster. Plus, research are exploring how light, temperature, and other environmental factors affect embryos. And the last, in conclusion, plant embryology is a powerful field that helps us understand how plants begin life, and how we can use that knowledge to grow better crops, save endangered species, and even cloning plants. That was the full explanation of plant embryology. I hope this video helped you understand how plant life begins and why it matters, not just in the theory, but also in real-world application. Thank you so much for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Keep learning and see you in the next video.